Hello kids and welcome to my channel Titus class. LKG English worksheet. Question number 1. Write the missing letter of the pictures. In this question you have to identify the picture and write the missing letters. First one is key. It is key. Spelling of key is K-E-Y. So here the missing letter is E. Second one, what is this? This is cat. Ka. It starts with letter C. Spelling of cat C-A-T. Cat. Third one, it is sun. S means S. S-U-N. Sun. Fourth one, egg. A means E. E-G-G. Egg. Now fifth one, it is rat. So rat means R means R. R-A-T. Rat. Sixth one, it is picture of hat. Hat. A-T. Hat. Seventh one, it is picture of dice. D means D-I-C-E. Dice. Eighth one is picture of bow. Dash O-W. Yes. B-O-W. Bow. Now our next question. Circle the things that start with letter H. In the first line, I can see eagle. Eagle start with E. So, it is not. Second one, yes, it is hen. Ha means H. So, I will circle hen. Start with letter H. Next is girl. No, it start with G. Come to next line. First is hand. Yes, it starts with letter H. Hand. Next, bus. No. Next, it is pin. No. Come to last line. First is horse. Horse start with letter H. So I will circle horse. Ha. Next, ice. It starts with letter I. Next, octopus. It starts with letter O. So, what we learned today? 3 things that start with letter H are hen, hand and horse. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.